In this session, you will learn how to prepare envelopes and labels in MS Word. See, in Mailings tab, we have two options, envelopes and labels. If you choose envelopes, that will makes the envelope model and you can print the model in regular envelopes available in the market. So, first here we need delivery address. Suppose I am typing some delivery address. Something Ravi Kishan. Ravi Kishan, door number something 45 bar and street I am giving and then the address, remaining address, Bangalore, Karnataka, pin code also I am giving. Okay, this is the delivery address. By making few changes, I am copying this one and here return address. Return address means your address. Suppose here I am changing Mangalore something 26 and Raja Street, your name Kiran Kumar. So, you must have a delivery address to whom you are delivering and your address. Later, you have to choose the options. How you, in which size you are choosing the envelope. So, that is depends upon your printing envelope size. You can scale it using by a scale or you can see if the envelope is has the sizes available here, matching sizes available here or not. So, you can select any one of these sizes and you can also select printing options. How your printer is going to feed the envelope. See, here we have two options, face up and face down. See, if you select face up, it will be like this and face down. Upwards or and backwards or frontwards you are going to print the envelope. That you have to select and you have to choose the feed method. How you are feeding, whether you are feeding centrally or left top corner, where you are feeding the envelope in the printer, that you have to select. Okay, so finally after finishing all these settings, say OK. So then see here we are having add to document. So directly also we can print. After adding to the document also we can print. Okay, I am adding to the document. Do you want to save the new return address as a default return address? Yes, if you want you can save. Yes, I am going to save. See, the document is ready with envelope size. Now you can print this one. using normal printing options. You can print as usual. Okay, this is the model to prepare an envelope, and you can also adjust these. Suppose click on this and you can adjust where you want. You can click and drag them. This is the way to prepare envelopes. And second option is labels. Label option enables you take number of labels in a single page. You can take printouts and later you can cut them and you can stick them anywhere. So first you have to select the labels and see address. It is asking, you can adjust the address if you want. Suppose I am adjusting the address, and if you want you can change some sizes. Why? Because label needs spaces exactly. Suppose I don't want this pin code and all, so I am removing, otherwise keep it as it is. If you want you can adjust. Okay. Later you have to select the options, how your label is going to print in the document, setting in the document, how many labels you want, so that you have to choose. In options we have number of settings here, 30 per page. How much size per label, here it is giving, and details also you can take like this. You can also adjust the margins of your label, how you want to print. See, number of across down, number of labels across and number of labels down. If you want to adjust any one, you can adjust. And page size also, letter landscape is the default one, and you can select some other or custom also you can select page size. Finally you can set OK, and how many you are going to print? 30 per page. So OK. Now see, directly also you can print to the printer, otherwise new document option is here. So click on new document option, automatically you will get these labels as per your requirements, 10 labels across and 3 labels downwards. If you want you can adjust, like using layout settings available. Suppose you can, this is a table format, so that's why you can adjust something like to center or to down, where you want to place the labels, and finally you can take printouts. So this is the way to prepare envelopes and labels in MS Word.